So, if you're having problems with Fortnite here and you're getting the error code LS-0016, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your game files are actually up to date. Now, sometimes you might notice that some files may have gotten altered or you're missing some files or boot files here. Well, you need to fix that. So you want to go up to Epic Games here, you want to go to your library, look for Fortnite, click on the three-dotted option here, and you want to go and choose the manage option. Now under manage, you want to go and just click on verify, and basically what it will do, it will verify your files, so it might take a while because it will compare the files you currently have right now in their servers and update any missing files, and usually that would solve the problem. But just in case that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to start Epic Games in administrator mode. So you want to go and just close Epic Games so you still have this running in the background. So you want to go and just click on the arrow at the bottom right here. You want to open up your icons or apps. So you want to right click on Epic Games and choose exit. Once you've done that, you want to look for Epic Game Launcher, right click on it. You want to go and just choose the option here that says run as administrator and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you could try doing here is you may want to basically turn off any VPN that you're currently running. So if you have like VPNs running in the background, turn that off and see if that helps. And if that still doesn't work and you're not running any VPNs, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your DNS is, or you're using a DNS that doesn't have in this case Fortnite blocks. So in some cases it might be interfering, or your current DNS is going to be the one interfering here. So to update that, you want to go to your search bar here, just type in control panel, open it up, and under control panel you want to look for the option that says network and internet. Look for the option here that says network and sharing center. You want to look for your current connection. So currently this is my connection. Let's go open it up, Ethernet connection here. If you're using your Wi-Fi, go ahead and just click Wi-Fi. Go and choose properties. You want to look for IPv4, so our Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it, click on properties, and you want to go and use the following. So currently I'm using the following, so you just Google DNS. So you want to switch over to the use the following DNS server. Type in the following. So for the preferred DNS server, just type in 8.8.8.8. Now, alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Once you've done that, click on OK. Click close, close. You can go close this one, restart your PC, and see if that helps. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.